how are you doing? In this lesson, we'll be learning how to create a stormy ocean. So let us get straight into it. So let's add the ocean modifier to this. Change some properties right here, like this one, 0.7. So let's assign this to the object right here, the camera to the object. So let's assign it, and now let's change the focal length of the camera to be 24, I think. And now here we need to add some graph modifier. Now let's rename this to volume shrink wrap. And now let's change it to object, this from halo to object, and set it to our so now you can see we are done, and I really can't show it because it is super laggy, but I'll show you how it looks. Take a look. So yeah, that's it for this lesson about how to create this amazing cool wave animation. And if you want to learn more, then don't forget to subscribe to my classes, and I'll see you next time.